Hello everyone, VoiceOver Violet here. I wanted to just talk about a few things while I'm drawing this Moobloom sticker. First off, I wanted to mention that I was gone for a bit. I don't think it was that noticeable on my YouTube channel, but I had my wisdom teeth surgery, so that was fun. I now have 6 less teeth. Yep. I have 6 wisdom teeth apparently. Let me keep them, so that's fun. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, so now I just have 6 teeth sitting around. I took 2 weeks off to recover from that, and I'm all good now. Everything's good. I also wanted to mention that I started streaming on Twitch, and it's been really fun. I've only streamed a few times, but the times that I've streamed, I've really enjoyed it. So if you're interested in checking that kind of stuff out, I'll have my Twitch channel linked in the description, as well as my gaming channel that I have on YouTube. Pretty much that's just going to be all the streams that I do edited down into videos. I have the first episode of Minecraft Survival Series up, which I've been wanting to do something like that for a while now. I love playing Minecraft on my own, and I thought it'd be fun to kind of, share that with other people. And I've kind of grown up watching a lot of Minecraft YouTubers, so I was like, oh, it'll be fun to do that kind of stuff as well myself. So I have that. I have 1 episode up. Actually, we'll be showing some clips from that first video later on in this vlog. But that's really everything, so enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys later. This is an interesting start, that's for sure. I would love to see some spruce. Oh! Shit, if I go over there, because I have the bad omen, what do I do? I don't know how long it takes for it to wear off. I think you have to drink milk. I don't have a bucket. I just used 2 iron to make shears. Should I make shears? I'm just gonna make shears. Dear God.
Things and stuff. Okay, let's sleep on one of these beds. Ready? Nice. Alright. Out over there. There's flowers? Oh, wait. What am I seeing? What am I seeing? Spruce. Yes. Oh my god. Yes, yes, yes. I love spruce. Oh, here. I love it. Home. This is my home.